Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what things I'm going to be decluttering, selling, or even giving away. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So my first item is this clock here. We're not going to be using this any longer, so this is one item that I'm going to be giving away. I'll probably end up selling this clock because it does still work, but I think I could probably get a little coinage, money, moolah, dineros, whatever you want to call it, that I could probably get something for this clock. So I am going to be selling this clock. So my second item is these two plants here. I had gotten these from IKEA, but there's no need for me to really have them any longer since I have real plants now and they are thriving so well. So these are another item that I am going to be selling. My third item is this lamp post here. We no longer need this as well. Or at least I found myself not grabbing for it most of the time, and so I was like, I need to get rid of this lamp here. So I'll probably end up giving this away to the Salvation Army. Next item here is this, I guess this is a napkin holder, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. Yeah, but I didn't end up using this. So actually I had gotten it for a project and I just never, I forgot all about it, and before you knew it, it had been 2-3 years and here we are where I still have the napkin holder and I haven't used it. I don't even purchase napkins. So anyway, I will be giving this to Salvation Army. Next item here is this stencil wheel. This was something when I used to do a lot of crafts back in the day, and I haven't really for the most part did many crafts where I need to be utilizing this. And so even though it has all the different owls on here and I thought that it was really cute at the time, I'm just not using it any longer. So I will be giving this to the Salvation Army. Now this item here, I may end up either selling it or I may give it to the Salvation Army. I haven't determined what I'm going to do with it, but anyway, this is a candle holder. So a lot of times I would place my jars of a candle inside this and it would help with protecting the bottom. I ended up actually purchasing this from a thrift store. At the time I think it was on sale. It says $5, but it was on sale I think half off that particular day, and I thought it was a good item to have. But it's so dirty too. Look at how dirty that is. Wow. Anyway, that tells you I need to get rid of it because it's collecting dust. So my next item are, or items I should say, are these valances here. I used to use the bottom part for curtains and my multi-purpose room, but this valance I have two of them and it's a really pretty print, but I just don't use them, you know. So I don't know why I didn't just give them away a long time ago, because I knew I wasn't going to use the valance part of the curtains. So anyway, here we are with these 2-3 years later, and I haven't used them, and so it's time for someone else to be blessed with these because they're in good condition. They're brand new practically, and I don't use them. So my next item here, although I don't want to really depart with it, but it is this beautiful sign. I had purchased it some years ago from Hobby Lobby, and it just has really good, it has a recipe on it for family of love and things that you like to share with your family, and I just love this, but I haven't used it at least in a couple of years. It used to be in my kitchen on the kitchen wall, but I've since then taken it down and I just haven't been using it. So I don't know why I'm holding on to it. I guess I just figured it. I love this. You know how you get that guilt where you really love something and then you just keep holding on to it, hoping that you may use it one day, and it just don't happen. So I'm gonna bless someone else with this. I'll probably end up though selling. You know what? I'm going to sell this because I think it will sell. So I end up selling it on Facebook Marketplace for the most part because like I said, I think that this item really will sell. So that's what I'm going to do. Here is another sign that I had purchased from, not from Hobby Lobby. I ended up really getting this sign from another thrift store at one time, but I just loved all of that it was saying. But for the most part, I haven't used it in about a year. I've had it in my closet, or not my closet in my room, but my multi-purpose room closet, and it's just been sitting there collecting dust. So I'm going to try and sell this item as well. I know I keep saying I'm going to try, but it's because I have sold things on Facebook Marketplace before, and sometimes it's a win where I end up selling the things and people purchase them, and sometimes it's been where it's been a bust where I wasn't able to for the most part sell the item. But if it's where it's too long, I usually put it on Facebook Marketplace for about a week, and then if I don't get anybody trying to message me and let me know that they want to try and purchase the item that I'm trying to sell, then I take it down and I just donate it for the most part. But if I can get $5, $10, you know, if you can get any money for whatever the items are, you know, why not? Another item is this sign here. Now, I was given this sign from a friend of mine and I loved it. I used to have it in my bathroom, but you know, since our bathroom has changed, and I will have to link down in the description box below how our bathroom has changed. The colors are not, you know, these colors anymore, and so for the most part, that's why I haven't used this. I'm going to sell this on Facebook Marketplace as well because I think that it will sell. So another item that I am so sad to depart from is this here, this sign. Of course, it's backwards to you guys, but it says, what does this sign say? So this sign says, you and me, and then it has the heart. You know, I used to have this in our bedroom, and I don't know, it's still kind of hard for me to depart with this because I really do like this sign. But I can't figure out where I would want to place it, so I don't know. You know what? I might place it, you see, above me right there in the back with those, the two flowers and the curtains and everything. If I can get it back there, I might place it there, because now looking behind me, it kind of like that. But anyway, this is a Polo Case, and I had used this Polo Case, but the zipper broke, and so of course I'm going to be probably throwing this away because I don't think anyone else will be able to use it unless they're a person that wants to fix a zipper. But I know if I was to see this in a, for example, secondhand store, and I would pick it up and I would be happy to get it for my decor, but not pay attention to the zipper being broken, and then I got home and saw that the zipper was broken, I would not be happy. So I'm not going to put that on anyone else. I'm just going to go ahead and just throw it away. It's so cute. Plus, I'm into putting on pillowcases now instead of purchasing pillows that have decor on it, you know. So for the most part, you save space and all that, so it's just better to just get the case. Okay, next item is this here. I had gotten this from someone else, but you know, it has like the farmhouse, like, for the most part, look. It's not particularly my style anymore. I used to love farmhouse, but I, you know, just really not there anymore with that. So anyway, I haven't decided if I'm going to try and sell this or if I'm going to just donate it. You know, I'm not sure if this will sell or not, so we'll see though. Because now this here, I might end up donating it. I didn't particularly like the scent, so I will be donating this candle as well. Also, this is a what is this? Cell phone holder for your car. And for the most part, it doesn't work in the car that we have now. Since we purchased, well, not since we have a new car now, this just does not work with that car. And so anyway, I might end up selling this too and see if it will sell. I don't know. Or I will end up donating it if it does not. Okay, so I have some of these, but I have too many. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. A lot of times I like using these for my winter theme after Christmas decor, but I just don't need these. And you see, they're still in a package. So I will end up giving these away as well. They will be donated to the Salvation Army. All right, these here. A lot of times I used to use these for candle holders as well as DIY projects that I would do. These were purchased from the Dollar Tree. You even see that there's something, I don't know what that is. Oh, actually, so on this side, some type of tape or paper or something like that. These away to the Salvation Army. Okay, so these collapsible Dollar Tree bins here, for a while they would work for me, but I just don't like how they're not as sturdy as I would like them to be. And so I have these two here. I'm going to be donating these as well. Maybe someone else can use them, so we're gonna bless someone else with these pans. So when my landlord ended up renovating our bathroom, I ended up changing a lot of the decor in our bathroom. One of the things that I ended up changing was our shower curtain. So this is our older shower curtain. Guys see that? And it was real pretty at the time, but you know, my hubby was like, well, you can get something new, and I wasn't gonna turn that down. So you know what I did? I went and got something new. So anyway, this will be something that I will be donating to the Salvation Army. Along with that was this rug as well. You know, these were the colors that were used in the bathroom at the time. So I'm not using these colors, this teal color here any longer. While it was pretty, it did not work. It does not work for me now. Another items here are some fall decor that I did not use when I decorated for autumn, fall / Thanksgiving. Are these Dollar Tree pumpkins that I have gotten, and I have 2 of these. And I just didn't end up using them. For the most part, they're not a color that I would typically use right now anyway. So these will be donated to our place. You know what I'm getting ready to say. I'm not going to say it again. I'm not going to say it again. Then I have the pumpkins in this color too. Same thing. I didn't end up using these. And so a lot of times I'm thinking, if you didn't use it when you was decorating, 9 times out of 10 you probably don't need it. So, and I have 5 of these that I'm going to be donating. Then I have this basket here. You have the little pumpkins in there, so discard that. This basket here. So this is something to, I pretty much love this. Actually, this was one of my, I think it was my first $5 Goodwill challenge with Hillary and from Old World Home. But anyway, I do not use this. I have in the past used it for decorations, but I didn't use it for decorations this time, and I don't have any function for it besides when I would use it for decorating. So it is going to the secondhand store. See, I didn't say Salvation Army that time. Anyway, I'm going to be donating most of these items. Some of the items, like I said, I will be trying to sell to see if I can get anything for them. We'll see. Anyway, I thank you guys so much for joining me today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. and I'll see you guys in the next one.